Are you curious about what alkaline water can do for you? Well, here's 10 compelling reasons why you should be drinking alkaline water every day. 1. Weight loss. Hydration allows you to have a better workout so that you can burn more calories. A recent study shows that people who started drinking alkaline water lost an average of 12 pounds in 2 months, and the only change they make is by drinking alkaline water. 2. Anti-aging. Alkaline water triples the antioxidant strength of vitamin C. It also helps to counter-react harmful reactive oxygen species which damage DNA tissues. Combined, alkaline water and vitamin C works effectively to neutralize harmful free radicals. 3. Heart health and blood pressure. Alkaline water has been shown to reduce heart pressure and lower cholesterol in people with mineral deficiency. 4. Hydration. Research shows that alkaline water hydrates your body much better than plain water. 5. Detoxification. Alkaline water provides the body with the daily cleanse. Your kidneys will thank you, as ionized trapping will draw out the acidic toxins. Your liver will say cheers, as increased levels of antioxidants will promote blood cleansing. Your colon will feel the difference, and you will too. 6. Balance body pH. Research shows that raising the pH level of your urine by just 1 pH can prevent or eliminate metabolic syndromes such as obesity and high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and kidney stones. A recent clinical study shows that alkaline water can fight harmful acidosis by raising blood pH by 40 to 70% within the normal blood pH range. 7. Liver health. Alkaline water has been shown to reduce oxidative stress in the body that affects the liver. Alkaline water has also been shown to increase critical levels of antioxidants that protect the liver. 8. Bone health. Research shows a clear link between alkaline water and bone health. When your body pH level becomes acidic, your body will adjust it by stealing calcium from your bones. 9. Digestive health. Research suggests that alkaline water reduces the symptoms of colitis, loose bowels, and constipation. And 10. Sports performance. Feel more hydrated with greater endurance, faster recovery, and more energy. Want to know how alkaline water can help you? Please visit our website to find out more.